Energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With advanced window technology, energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills offer superior insulation and performance. Richland Hills window installation services provide expert solutions for all your window needs. Whether you're looking to upgrade to double-glazed windows or need window glass replacement, our skilled window contractors in Richland Hills ensure a seamless installation process. Trust our team for professional window installation that enhances your home's energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills performance and aesthetic appeal. Double-glazed windows. Richland Hills are a popular choice for homeowners seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, providing excellent thermal performance. Double-glazed windows in Richland Hills pair perfectly with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills solutions to improve your home's comfort. Vinyl window replacement. Richland Hills offers a cost-effective and durable option for upgrading your windows. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance and long lifespan, making them a popular choice for homeowners. With a variety of window styles and designs available, vinyl window replacement in Richland Hills complements energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills to enhance curb appeal and efficiency. Window installation services. Richland Hills are essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your windows. From window sealing to window frame replacement, our expert technicians provide comprehensive window installation solutions. Keep your windows in top condition with reliable energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills installation and services. Energy-saving windows. Richland Hills are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows feature advanced window materials and technology to maximize efficiency. By investing in energy-saving solutions like energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills, you can enjoy a more comfortable home environment. Window glass replacement. Richland Hills is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and performance of your windows. Whether you need to replace cracked or foggy glass, our window contractors in Richland Hills provide expert window glass replacement services. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills and improved glass performance. Richland Hills window sealing is an important aspect of window maintenance that prevents air leaks and improves insulation. Proper window sealing in Richland Hills ensures that your windows perform at their best. This service works hand in hand with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills to reduce energy loss and enhance comfort. Thermal windows. Richland Hills offer superior insulation and energy efficiency for your home. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Combined with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills, they provide excellent performance and energy savings. Window maintenance. Richland Hills is essential for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular maintenance includes cleaning, sealing, and inspecting for damage. Proper upkeep supports the long-term performance of energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills in your home. Energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. With advanced window technology, these windows offer superior insulation and performance, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Professional installation of energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills ensures the best results for your home. Richland Hills window contractor services specialize in window installation and maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Whether you need glass replacement or window sealing, our team is equipped to handle all your needs. Our services help maintain the performance of energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills for long-term durability. For those considering a window upgrade, double-glazed windows. Richland Hills offer excellent thermal performance. These energy-saving windows are designed to maximize efficiency and reduce your carbon footprint. Many homeowners pair them with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills and vinyl window replacement for optimal results. Window replacement cost. Richland Hills can vary depending on the window styles and materials chosen. Our residential window services provide detailed estimates and consultations to help you make informed decisions. Many homeowners choose energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills for their long-term savings and performance benefits. Richland Hills window insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our contractor team offers expert advice on the best design and materials to achieve optimal efficiency. Installing energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills is an excellent investment for reducing energy bills and improving home value. Window glass replacement. Richland Hills is essential for maintaining window performance and energy efficiency. Our maintenance services ensure your windows are always in peak condition, providing peace of mind and comfort. Proper glass replacement supports the performance of energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills. Thermal windows. Richland Hills are designed to provide superior insulation and energy savings. These windows are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve energy ratings and reduce heating and cooling costs. Many homeowners combine thermal windows with energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills for maximum efficiency. Richland Hills window upgrade options include a variety of window styles to suit any home. Our replacement services offer competitive pricing and expert installation, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance. Choosing energy-efficient windows. Richland Hills ensures durability, comfort, and long-lasting value for your home.